Hi peeps, so glad to see you today. In this exciting story, 24 divided by 12, which equals 2, and 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Now we have this problem, 2 divided by 2, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 24 divided by 12 equals 2. So we have 2 divided by 12 divided by 6, and we can write this part as 2 over 12 divided by 6. So we must keep the first fraction 2 over 12 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 6, which equals 2 over 72. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly content.